Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. The vehicle itself is a 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. It's a 2016 66 reg. Features a full Your Next Car and performance body styling kit, and included in that is a set of brand new 405M style alloy wheels, and it also features a wide array of very sought after BMW optional extras, all of which we shall point out as we make our way around the car. At the front of the vehicle you'll see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Situated just behind those fantastic alloys you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car it does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. Down the side of the car, along with our satin side bars, vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals, you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, and of course the sun protection glazing you'll see on the rear windows. The interior for the vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with the electric movement, memory and heated seat option. And everything within the vehicle is exceptionally clean and tidy. It does of course also have the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and again, being the 435D with M Sport Plus package, we've also got the superb Harman Kardon surround sound, and you will see this little triangle just up here. We shall explain more about that shortly, as that is part of the intelligent safety system, also equipped to the car as a very sought after option. In the rear we've got a very spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench, central folding armrest, and of course that lovely darkened M Sport headlining. Moving round to the rear of the car, again showing you off those brand new set of alloys. Of course, being brand new, there's no marks on the wheels. At the back of the vehicle we've opted to go for a satin rear boot spoiler and a matching rear diffuser, and again, being a 435D, we've got that fantastic intelligent four-wheel drive system. Opening up the automatic opening and closing tailgate, you can see how large that area really is, and can be made even bigger because you can split fold the seats, along with removing both top and bottom partial shelf. Also has a rear facing reversing camera, which we're going to demonstrate for you in just a couple of seconds. Round at the other side, again you can see how well that BMW mineral grey works with all of the additions we've made here, and I shall now go ahead, take a seat inside, just to run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more depth, as there is a huge amount to get through. We've got power folding mirrors on this car, again always a very sought after item. Of course we've got professional wide navigation and media screen. Starting the car up, first thing we'll do is just go run through a couple of the basic features, starting with the very user-friendly system in the form of the sat nav. Uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. Connectivity wise, you've got Bluetooth telephone and audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection, AUX, USB, and of course we've already spoken about the Bluetooth audio. Did of course mention that the rear facing reversing camera. It's also got the parking assist package. So the parking assist package also includes not only front and rear sensors, but you'll see here it's also picking up the side sensors as well. Really useful feature to have. Popping that back in park to stop that beeping away at us. We've also got a heads up display, so you can see there that's displaying current speed. It'll also display turn by turn directions when you have a sat nav route set. It's covered just over 47,000 miles. It does have a full BMW service history, and again we'll quickly show you that before explaining more about the intelligent safety system. The next service for the vehicle is due in 9,000 miles time, and there you can see on screen now full BMW service history. Okay, so explaining more about the intelligent safety system. So down here I've got 3 buttons I can turn on or off. The first one being is the lane change warning. So this will alert you should you sway out of lane without indicating. The car will alert you, and then it can take action if no action is taken via the driver. The central button is for the collision warning or pedestrian alert. So again, if something is to step out on the road, or a car is to pull in front of you and it is deemed too close, so there is going to be an accident, the car can take action should no action be taken via the driver, i.e. applying the brakes. And we've also got the departure from the lane, which is the little triangles on the side mirrors that I did show you earlier. So again, this will alert you to a departure from lane, or if something is coming out of the lane behind you, it'll also alert you, almost like a blind spot assist. Really clever bit of technology, and one that is definitely very sought after. So there is a walk around for this very sought after and very high spec, very nicely conditioned 435D M Sport Gran Coupe, once again here at Your Next Car. If you do want to get in touch, of course all of the contact information is always down below in the description, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thanks once again. Bye bye.